Hey everyone, want to download and install Topaz AI on your Windows PC? Let me walk you through it. Alright, so first open your browser, Chrome, Edge, whatever you use, and go to topazlabs.com. That's the official Topaz Labs website. Once you're there, look for Products in the menu or scroll down to see their different AI tools. They've got Topaz Photo AI for photos and Topaz Video AI for videos. Pick whichever one you need. Click on the product you want, then look for a download or free trial button. Topaz lets you try their software free for 30 days before you buy, which is pretty cool. Click Download and make sure Windows is selected as your operating system. The installer file starts downloading. It's pretty big, usually a few hundred megabytes, so give it a minute. Once the download finishes, go to your Downloads folder and find the Topaz installer file. It'll be something like topazphotoai.setup.exe or topazvideoai.setup.exe. Double-click that installer to run it. Windows might ask, do you want to allow this app to make changes? Click Yes. The Topaz installer opens up. Just click Next through the installation wizard. You can choose where to install it, but the default location works fine. Click Install and let it do its thing. This takes a few minutes depending on your computer. Once it's done, click Finish. Topaz AI is now installed on your Windows PC. You can find it in your Start menu or on your desktop. Open it up, and if you're using the trial, you might need to create a Topaz account. Just enter your email and you're good to go. And that's it. Topaz AI is ready to enhance your photos and videos with AI magic.